Hi everybody, it's Amanda again from Creative Pouring, based out of the UK, Rugby. Now, I've got some paints left from a couple of previous pours. Do you want to see the colours? Look at my previous video. But I was going to do a ring pour and then I ended up doing a swipe, which is now drying. But I have got enough paint, I think, here with a bit of white to do a ring pour. So I decided, because it's an experiment and I'm going to do something else, bear with me, I'm going to do it on another canvas board I've bought from Cowling and Wilcox. They do great boards and canvases, very reasonable in price. I think you can read all that. So this is a 40 by 30 centimetre canvas board. Now, I haven't done one, I've used their smaller boards, like these, and they're great. They do not warp, they're great. So I bought a larger one, hoping that this one doesn't warp, but we'll find out. I did have some, when I first started, I bought some boards from Arteza, and they warped terribly, and they actually gave me my money back, which was very good of them. So now, I bought some of this from before the lockdown, which is Fast Dry Project Enamel. And I thought, nobody talks about satin enamel. So I thought, I've got this bit of, this is home base silk emulsion mixed with my pouring medium. So I'm going to just put a little tad of this enamel paint into this white, just out of curiosity to see what it does. So let's have a look. It might be a disaster, but as I say, these are, oh, it's very runny. Oh, hang on, I must need to stir it up. Hang on, I'm just opening it up, so bear with me. Right, in there. Let's get a stick. Okay, so it's quite runny at the top. You can see, there you go. Oh yes, so I need to give it a good old stir. And I will, oh, here we go. Maybe I should have shook it. But then again, I don't want bubbles, do I? So let's just do a good old stir. Now I've no idea, as I say, I've only just opened this, so we'll see if it does anything like the cloudiness to the white that the satin enamel that the Americans buy. Is it Deco Art satin enamel? Can't remember. And I know that Sarah Mack, who is the king or queen of ring pours, she always puts like a tablespoon of satin enamel into her white. So you never know, you look in the big city. So that's now all mixed in. So I'm just going to put like a bit off the end of my spoon, because there's only a quarter of a cup in there, so end of my stick. So let's just put maybe a bit more like that, 2 sticks worth in there, and then we will all see what happens. Okay, let's put that in there. There's no silicone in this white, so it's just basically house paint with my pouring medium, which is Elmer's glue all with a bit of Liquitex pouring medium in and topped up with water. So it's 60% glue, 10% Liquitex, and then 30% water. There you go, if I can add up properly. There you go. So I've added that into there. So let's put this on. Sticky gloves, sticky hands. Okay. So I don't need a lot of paint, or loads and loads. Oh god, that's not working, is it? It just doesn't want to go on. Okay. Right, so I'm going to use this. Where's that McDonald's thing gone? Is that it there? No. I had it in my hand earlier. Where's that one now? Here it is. Okay, so I have this is indigo blue, alizarin crimson, magenta, gold, white with the satin enamel in, and this is going to be my pillow paint because I've got it and I need to get rid of it. Okay, so we're going to go in with a baby bit of white in the end. Can you see? Let me just move those out of the way. Can you see now? Yeah, okay. Right. So following Sarah's advice, a baby bit of white in. And this white, this is quite thick, this. Okay, a baby bit of that. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to go back because I don't really want the white next to the pink. I'm going to go back the other way. How are we looking? Ooh. Oh, let's just do that again, so I don't get. And then go the blue. So I don't get light blue all the time, I actually get some darker blue. I did have some Payne's grey, but I used all that in the last pour of my swipe. I think, that's going to be enough. Let's have a quick look. Maybe another couple of goes and then that should be enough. Yeah, I think that's going to be enough. Yeah, okay, right, so this is a bit thinner, because apparently you can make it a bit thinner for it to go over when you tip it, for it to go over easier. Okay, so let's just, I've got just pop this on a baking tray so it can, there's a bit grungy bit in there, let me just take that out. We don't want that in, do we? Okay, let's just pour. I'm just going to do it straight down. Okay, here we go. Tip it, turn slightly. Yeah, loads of paint. Oh no, don't do that. Get over that. Otherwise you're going to get some weird and wonderful. That looks alright in there, doesn't it? Okay. That's quite funky. I wonder if I'm going to get, I mean, unfortunately I do have silicone in this as well. So, in this paint, which isn't your normal Ceramac Floetrol and, well, just Floetrol. So we'll see how we go. This, I'm just going to put this so it slides off without losing all my... Quite happy to get rid of this paint, to be honest. It's sat here for quite a while. Okay. Righty ho. Can you see it okay? Yep. Okay, right. Geronimo. I'm just going to go to the ends first because of course I haven't got a square canvas. I've got a oblong. And I want to try and spread those lines out, so I might do a bit of to-ing and fro-ing first. Back to the middle. Okay. Right, I'm going to go off this corner now. Take it off. There. And come back to the middle. And into the middle. I'm quite happy to keep all this purple. Oh, look at that blue. Let's open that out. Wow. This is a great technique, honestly. I want to keep that gold. So I don't really want to take too much of this off. I know I have to take some because of the amount of paint I've got on here, and then down to the bottom. And then I think we're good to go. I just decide if I need to tip anything. I'm going to go off, 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 and that blue off, and then back. Okay, and back and open those wobbly bits up, and then go around, so get that. Oh, alright then. Now, that has confirmed. I didn't think it mattered what colour paint you put down underneath, but that confirms that it does, because all that cream's come through there, especially. So it does matter what paint you put underneath. This is looking funky. This is the white. So let's see how that dries. I'm loving these purpley squiggles and that band of gold. Yeah, no, I'm not going to touch that. I'm quite happy with that. I'm not too fussed about the middle. I wonder if I can do something with that. Swirl it with let me just wipe my hands. I wonder if I can get some gold and just swirl it through with a chopstick or something. Or is that going to ruin it? See, that's too thick. No, don't do it. Should have done it before I poured. Let's just get that there. That's thick. tiny little bit of gold through there, just to break that bit of grey. That looks like grey, but it'd be like blue really. That's better. I need a little bit more there. Just a baby bit there through there. That's better. Oh. There you go. That's better. Well, this is definitely doing something. Yeah, I need to experiment what that is. Right, I'm going to... Now, I'm not going to torch. No, don't, because the silicone in this, you can see already there's bits and bobs popping up. I think I was just going to put a baby bit of gold in the blobs just for the... because I know there's no silicone in the gold. Doing a bit more of a blob than that, Amanda. Not done it, has it? Just do it like that then. Right, try not to fiddle with it anymore, but I quite like that where it's gone through those two blobs there. That one's okay because it's just blobbing. I'm a bit worried about that one. I might come back to that one, see how it is, but no, I think that's quite nice blue going into the dark blue and these purple. Yeah, very, very happy with that. And I now know that you definitely need to be careful on what you put on the bottom. Okay. Right, I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to bring you down on this one rather than lift you up. I don't have to worry about the edges or anything because it's just a board, but it'd be interesting to see A, how this dries, and B, how, let's see, where's the, oh there you go, okay. It's quite subtle and pastel, the blue there. Love this corner. And these are very pretty. Not much of the gold as well, it's not the same as the Art Deco. Oh, where am I? There you go. Anyway. Oh, I can't see because I'm upside down. There you go. Right, I'm going to cut you short now and take a photograph. Hope you like it. If you've enjoyed this, even though I'm holding it, there you go, let me just get it right, there you go. If you've enjoyed this video, even though it's a shaky end, please subscribe, like, share, do all the stuff you need to do so I can get more than 130 subscribers. Hurrah! Okay, thank you anyway for those who do subscribe, and I look forward to the next one. Thanks a lot, Amanda. Over and out.